Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan keto Dalgona whipped coffee. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein. However, the chocolate pea protein would also work nicely if you wanted to create a mocha version. I'm using some almond milk, however any plant-based milk will work great. I've got some instant coffee, and I'm going to be using a stevia sugar mixture instead of sugar, so this makes this recipe sugar-free and keto-friendly, and also some warm water. So to make the recipe, I'm simply going to be adding the stevia sugar, the instant coffee, and the warm water into a bowl with a whisk, and I'll be whisking that by hand for about 2 to 3 minutes until stiff peaks start to form, and then I'm going to use the electric mixer and mix that until it's nice and fluffy. And to create the milk base, I'm going to be adding the vegan vanilla protein into my almond milk, shaking that up, pouring it into a glass with ice, and then I'm going to top that off with the whipped coffee mixture, and it'll be ready to serve.